Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to copy the link of your group chat so that you can send the link and invite your friends separately. So how to do that, you just need to open your Instagram application and you just need to access the group chat that you have or have been created. You can just take a look on the top side here. There will be two items. Go click the right one, and right after that there will be like several message that you have. So you just need to open the group chat that you have here, so you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just go take a look on the stop sign here. You just need to go click down and then will like bring you into the informations here. If you want to have the invitations link, you just need to go click it. Now there will be an option, either you want to copy, send from Instagram or share into other application. So if you want to copy it, you just need to go click this copy and you're done. Now you just need to paste into the specific application that you use to communicate with your friends so that you can invite your friends into your group chat on Instagram. So that is the way how to copy Instagram link for the group chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.